A material obeys Hooke's law if the extension of the material is directly proportional to the applied force up to the limit of proportionality. Now, this linear relationship can be represented by Hooke's law, which is Fh is equal to negative kx, where F is the elastic force in newtons, K is the spring constant in newtons per meters, and x is the displacement or the extension, which is in meters. The spring constant is a property of the material being stretched and measures the stiffness of a material. So the larger the spring constant, the stiffer the material. The way a material responds to a given force can be shown on a force extension graph. As more force is added, the graph may start to curve slightly. Now, the gradient of this graph is equal to the spring constant k. You should always double check the axis before finding the spring constant as the gradient of a force extension graph, since in exams they might swap and put force on the x-axis and displacement on the y-axis instead, which would make the gradient 1 over k instead.